In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the OpenAI API to n8n. This simple process will allow you to integrate the powerful capabilities of OpenAI into your n8n workflows, optimizing your automation tasks and enabling even more creative solutions. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the n8n platform, which you can do by heading over to your web browser and logging into your n8n account. Once you're logged in, look for the Workflows section. This is the area where you manage all your different automation workflows. It's like the central hub of your n8n activities, and it's where we'll be making our initial setup. Once you're in the Workflows area, the next thing you need to do is click on Credentials. Credentials in n8n are essentially your keys to connect different services and APIs, and are crucial in ensuring secure communication between n8n and other platforms. So, by clicking on Credentials, you're starting the process of securely linking OpenAI with n8n. After clicking Credentials, you'll see an option to Create Credential. This is where you begin the process of setting up a new connection. Click on Create Credential, and a new window will open. In this window, you'll be presented with various options for different types of credentials. For our purpose today, we're going to select OpenAI. This tells n8n that you want to connect to OpenAI's API, which is necessary for using its features in your workflows. Once you've selected OpenAI, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click Continue to proceed to the next step. This step is important as it confirms your selection and moves you forward in the credential setup process. Now, you'll need your API key from OpenAI. If you haven't generated an API key yet, you'll need to log into your OpenAI account and create one. Once you have your API key handy, return to the n8n platform. In the Credential Setup window, you'll see a field where you can paste your API key. Carefully paste it into the provided space. Be sure to double-check that there are no extra spaces or errors, as this could prevent the connection from working correctly. And there you have it. You've just connected the OpenAI API to n8n. With this setup, you can now harness the power of OpenAI in your n8n workflows, opening up a world of possibilities for automation and data manipulation. Whether you're looking to enhance customer interactions, automate business processes, or simply explore new AI capabilities, having this connection is a fantastic step forward. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!